Hi guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Talia and this is
Andrea! Yay!
We're doing a NYX haul and we ordered NYX together because, you know, you can save money on shipping.
We got it in this really awesome, sexy lingerie packaging.
NYX, why are you doing this?
Yeah.
Please explain. I thought you were better than this.
But they did include some cute little stickers. Yeah.
We got mainly lip stuff.
Yeah, this is new, the Powder Puff Lippy. Okay. I tried it on at Sephora, but they were like out of pretty much all of the colors. So I was like, I love this formula, but I need to order it online. So about like
then
5 of
John
them.
did it. Which ones did?
So we got, this one is Moody. We both got Moody.
Oh yeah, I was like, this sounds like me, so you can get it.
This is Cool Intentions. I got this one.
Oh, that one's pretty.
I know, it's pretty. This one's yours. This one's Best Buds.
I got a lot of pink.
I know. I was like, why'd you get so much pink?
Oh,
but,
damn.
well, it's okay. I mean, you know, we got the return label. Pop quiz.
Ooh, that one's cute.
Yeah, I know. Okay, and then also, Talia, you got these ones.
Oh, I got the Worth the Hype mascara. That is a very bold name.
Worth the Hype.
Because are you worth the hype? We'll have to wait and see. And then Duo Chromatique. It's.
Yeah. When you ordered that one, I looked at the picture of it. I was like, that's very bold.
Yeah.
It's very bold.
It's intense. We'll see. And then I got. Is this mine? Oh yeah. The Strictly Vinyl lip gloss. Which one should we try first?
Well, let's try Moody since we both got that one.
Okay.
I can't open this. I don't have big enough nails. So this has like a cool little, I guess it's called Powder Puff because it's got this little puff ball at the end, and then you kind of apply it by like dabbing.
This is what it looks like. Okay, so how do you do this? You squeeze it?
Let's read
Don't
the
get
instructions.
anything on the cuff. My mom will kill us.
Pucker up and swipe. Okay, it doesn't, that's not the real instructions.
Okay.
There's no particular instructions. I think that you
I'll
just squeeze it
and hope for the best.
Yeah, squeeze. Oh, I just heard a little pop.
I know.
How like sanitary do you think these little puffs are?
Probably not that sanitary.
How do you?
Ew.
See, I was like doing it like this, just like some fun little. And I feel like maybe you could try and like layer more on there so the pigment is more, but I don't really know. It's not sheer, but it feels like I'm like giving you tiny little hits on the face. Yeah, I think if you like do it more, but that's coming in.
I don't know why I closed my eyes. I like the texture though.
Yeah, that's what I like. It feels like very velvety, and like not like I always feel like when I'm wearing lip stuff, my lips feel so dried out.
It's very pink though.
Yeah, it's very pink. Yeah, see, that's the thing. So on the thing, like this
does not.
This is much darker looking. I think also what would help is like having the applicator like totally covered in it.
It's very sheer.
But it feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels good.
I like the way that it feels.
It's comfortable if you're talking a lot at your job.
It dries pretty quickly into like sort of sheer looking. But it looks more darker, like less pinky on your hand. It's very strange.
Maybe it's because I have chapstick on?
Maybe.
I'll try my Best Buds. This one's much more pinky, nude-y, but we'll see. Oh, this one's coming out so much faster.
Yeah, and these are $8.50 each.
Oh, right.
And you get free shipping over $25 on the NYX website. And also, apparently, I didn't realize this, they have a rewards program.
I do?
Yeah, it says sign up now for exclusive perks for makeup crew members.
Okay, this is too big for me. Yeah. It's ugly.
Yeah, it looks like you're Barbie. Who could even wear that?
I don't know. But not me.
Let's check what the return policy is. I do think it's like really light. It might be more of like a summer.
Here it is on my wrist. Why does it look so much better on my wrist than my actual lips? There we go.
This one is Cool Intention. That is not what I was expecting.
Really?
Okay, this one I don't like as much because I feel like now you can really see... Oh, okay, now it's coming in darker.
I like that one.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Cool intentions. It's sort of like, it just doesn't really have any red to it at all.
It's nice. I like it. I also feel like there's really not much product in the tube.
Oh, I hadn't thought about that one.
Like, you really have to squeeze it, like, all the way flat for the product to come out. So I don't think there's much in it. I like the applicator. I like the idea of this.
Yeah.
I would, for something like this, I prefer it to be very opaque. I think I'm thrown off because my expectations were it's going to be opaque, not sheer.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just me.
For me, not wearing a lot of lip stuff at all,
it's not bad on camera, but in person, you can really see through
the
cracks of my lips. That could be because my lips are just dry as shit, but...
Now I'm trying Pop Quiz. It's like a berry.
It's very, very dark for you. It looks good on you, though. It looks nice
in the camera. It looks like really red.
Yeah.
But in real life, it looks. Oh, that looks nothing. That's crazy.
I'm so confused.
It's very confusing. I wonder if I kept layering it, if it would get dark. But this just makes it look like it's going to be so dark. Yeah, the packaging.
I'm really confused.
All three of these are completely different colors.
Wow.
I don't know. But I mean, I think I kind of like it. I would just definitely have to.
Good on you.
I would have to hype myself up to be able to, like, this would definitely be like a fancy occasion color for me. On the website, they do call it a berry. They don't really talk about how dark it is, even though all the promo pics make it look like it's going to be.
Yeah, it looks super deep.
Okay, so here's the next one. Squad Goals, inspired by Taylor Swift herself. See, that's like the type of pink I would wear.
Squad Goals. That one's cute, though.
This is the one that I tried on in the store, and I really liked it, and it lasted, like, at least for, like, an hour just for me, like, swiping on the test one. I like that. It's like a summery...
It's like a nude with a blush undertone.
Cool! Let's move on to the other stuff.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Now, I have... The first one is Strictly Vinyl. In the shade Bombshell. Maybe I'll turn into a Victoria's Secret angel.
Oh, it's like chocolate. Like, it literally looks like you're putting chocolate on your lips right now.
Oh, wow. I like this texture a lot. It actually freakishly does. I think this is my new favorite gloss formula.
Oh.
Wow, I really like... I should have put on a whole face of makeup.
It would look good with a whole face of makeup.
Yeah, it would. But, oh my god, can you see the reflection? Oh my god.
It's high gloss.
You need to try this on. Okay. It's really good. I'm amazed. Because it's not sticky.
Yeah, it looks like...
Here, I can hold this.
I'm looking at this and I just don't...
It's not sticky like a gloss would feel. It's very thick, though. It's not a subtle gloss, though. It's like a... My lip gloss is popping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?
You're gonna get a copyright infringement.
I want this in other colors now. I just wanted to test it out because I was like, wow, this looks cool.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It
does. I would never expect that. I hate the feel of lip glosses.
Yeah.
I never buy lip glosses.
Yeah.
I feel held in.
It's
My
not
lips,
getting everywhere.
It doesn't feel like it's shrinking my lips, which is how I feel most of the time.
Yeah. Like, I would forget that I'm wearing a gloss until I press my lips together. I'm scared.
The test.
Oh!
That's so bad. It like all came off. Let me see. It still looks good. It still looks good.
It just like completely transferred to my...
Yeah, that's not for date night.
That is not for date night.
It still looks good though.
No, I like it a lot.
It could take one. It could take a hit.
Yeah.
Take a hit.
My next gloss is the Chromatique.
I was wondering with this one, because on the website, like their example photo made it look like that was the only thing product that was being worn. But since it's so sheer looking, I was like, would you want to layer it with like some?
I think this should be more of a topper. Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh, you look like a unicorn. It's so intense. Okay.
Oh god. Ah! It's like unicorn piss.
Yeah.
Like this is what's her name from Xenon?
Oh,
Zoom,
yeah.
zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom. Not supernova, girl. I would never wear this by itself. You got it. This has to be a topper.
I would wear it with like a purple underneath.
Yeah.
Because it's already got such purpley shine to it.
That's true.
That I feel like that would make it look really purposeful.
I just thought it was gonna be more of like a sheen shimmer.
That one, I feel like if we pulled up what the product looks like, that would be pretty close.
Really?
Yeah.
What the hell was I thinking?
I don't know. Your choices were erratic. But...
Oh, you want to try it?
No. I don't want to. I would never wear that. I mean, it's interesting.
We're now moving on to mascara.
Yay.
Worth the hype.
Mascara.
They only had one color. I like the brush.
Just looking at you doing that, they already look so much blacker than your other.
They look really full. I like it because it's not that heavy.
That looks good. You weren't wearing mascara, and now your eyelashes definitely look... You look really cute. It's good. I like that. To me, it just looks really...
Ooh.
It's very chunky on me.
It curled your lashes, though. Mine are so straight, it has a mind of its own. Is that it?
Yeah, that's everything.
Wow. I felt like I got so much more.
Well, it was a lot of money still.
I know. Any more thoughts? Change your packaging.
Change
Change your packaging.
Make it, come into the Glossier world.
Something. I'd be happier with a nice,
cheap lingerie.
Cute, clear Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
I'd be so happy with that. Or even
a
a
little
cardboard box. Yeah, like a plain brown cardboard box.
Well, it came in a cardboard box.
Well, yeah, but that was like the shipping packaging.
Yeah,
Okay. But that wraps up our little haul. If you
enjoyed this video
and you're
watching on Facebook
and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe down below. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends on Facebook. And anybody who is Andrea's friend and you're watching this because of Andrea, you better subscribe. I will find you. Her Instagram. Do you want people to know your Instagram? I'll put it down below.
Yeah. _Sanguina.
Sanguina.
And
it's really cute.
And Nyx, if you're watching, when you update your packaging, send us one for free.
Please
put some stuff in it, and we'll rate it.
Yeah.
And tell you how much you've improved.
I'll tag Nyx. I'll let them know, as if they'll really watch this. But you never know. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.